Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Director General of Police ke Gnla Dr. Laja Ram Bishnoi ulaong bakiladon ki khubor ki bala sapriang halor ke Thmu ban Sdang Biang ban penteri kam ni ke kinhon le no Garo National Liberation Council ha ka thain Garo Hills ha ka ban kalyang USP ke North Garo Hills Bruno Sangma ha ba yakren berkilat pathai khubor ulaong ba ha ka nyotrik urempang kaladon ke khubor bala penmi halor ke jing penke imbiang ya ka seng Gnla ba ka arpusan rumpang arjar arpusapat nakaliang katrat pulit kalayo ya ke ejahar hapo Karkata Police Station bat nakaliang katrat pulit jong North Garo Hills kala penlong ya ke jingto ket bat kumbakalong mentala yo ban kem hado laingut ki breu bat nagini ki breu la yo ruban kurup ya ki mobile phones haringkat ki sim card bat nakaliang katrat pulit karang penlong shisho ya ke jingto ken shisho la ongru bana pedeng gini ki laingut ki bala yo kem using sang ke marak ubajulong teng udukot barim jong ka way ni kikinhon le no but udairu way ni ki runaru badan keti ha ki babun ki mukot duma hapo ka thai North Garo Hills but ki pulit jong ka Assam ru kidang thwet yong ni breu but Maria Dep ban penlong yi ke jing toket nakaliang katanat pulit ka North Garo Hills kan sa IT yo using sang ki pulit ka Assam nagabenta ban penlong yi ke jing toket ki babun nakaliang Bruno ulia thoru bakumbakalong menta kiladon hado nyo hado prangut ki breu ki Thmu ban penke imbiang ye ka seng Gnla Henry kum katanat pulit karam ailat bat kan tre ye ka kam bat la ongru ba ki babon ki Tiar ya Siat ki baga Gnla kala bure la yo ban kemlun.
And also a lot of speculations are there in the air about the Gnla regrouping in the Garo Hills regions, etc., etc. So with me and many aspiring officers, IGDG rank officers are there. So first I request the Bruno, the SP North Garo Hills, to brief the media about the Gnla regrouping.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you, sir. Regarding regrouping of Gnla, in the month of February 7th, there was a social media posting saying that Gnla has regrouped. And on the 25th of February 2024, we have received one FIR in Calcutta PS. And based on the FIR which we received, we have conducted investigations. And so far, till date, we have arrested 3 people in this regard. And the names of those people are Simsan Kemara from El Resugalpara, Hada, and he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Tilja Sangma from Adokre, he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Suresh Sangma from Adokre only. He is 32 years of age. As of now, investigation is going on and we have seized mobile phones from their possessions which were used in the crime along with SIM cards. So as of now, investigation is going on. Sri Sengsan Kemara is an ex-militant group. He has been rehabilitated and he is the main culprit in this case in North Garo Hills. He has been wanted in Assam police as well. Assam court has given NBWA against him and will be handing him over to Assam police as when the investigation is over in North Garo Hills. So far, investigation is going on and more arrests will take place. There are around 7 to 8 members in this regroup, so we will not be sparing them and we will be going after them. But that is all from my side. As of now, we have seized mobile phones which have been used in the crime because they have demanded fund ransom of 20,000 from the victim in North Garo Hills Adokre. As of now, Singsan is the only member who is arrested, who is a trained member. So he was an ex-ULA member, United Arctic Division Army, that's all. Regarding that, I would like to say that most of the arms hidden by Gnla have been recovered and seized in Vilamnagar. Many of the arms have been recovered during my time when I was posted there. So as of now, recently we don't have any seizure. We are working on it, we are investigating because there was a social media posting. We are still, matter is under investigation.
So far from the Garo Hills region, the feedback is that the moment the activities were noticed through media and social media, the police promptly acted upon it and the 3 persons have been arrested. 1 or 2 more are there, so they may be absconding after the arrest of 3 persons. You know, there is an interesting modus operandi used by them. They send WhatsApp messages to concerned persons after collecting their numbers. And the extortion will say that you are the conductor in this particular area, so you are damaging our environment. So to overcome that, you have to pay environment tax. That is one. And secondly, the two businessmen that you are earning profit, so you have to pay some income tax to the organization. Those old tactics they have used it. So immediately nabbed, and now we will not allow to indulge anybody in any kind of illegal activities. That for that, the Garo, all the 5 districts, the police is on their tenterhooks, and they are doing and taking all kinds of possible follow-up action to prevent. Let me speak factually, because I cannot guess. As per the input received, so far the 6 youth were associated with the Gnla R group. Okay. Gnla R group came into our notice after the Facebook post on probably 7th February 2024. And out of those 6 youth, 3 were already arrested. Other 3 are already identified. They are absconding. So we will not allow any illegal activities by any groups. That much I can say.
Then political backing.
Difficult to say. I don't think so. Because mostly their aim, some vested interest youth are there. Their main aim is to extort money and to go for quick buck overnight. All those things are there in their mind. So probably they thought that if some organization is formed, then it will become easy for them.
And
so far, I'm saying the North Garo Hills and the West Garo Hills. Only from these 2 districts, the 6 names cropped up. Out of the 3 already arrested, and we got the input that mainly, initially, these 2 districts.